When you're going live on Instagram, you can see so many filters. Sometimes you may not like some filters. You may not want that filters in that filter section. So if you want to remove that filters from that filter section, you can do that. In this video we will be telling about how to remove any filters from filter section on Instagram Live. For this, open Instagram application. After that, down here, can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. After that, click on this plus button and select Live. Or above you can see one plus button. Click on that and select Live. When you're clicking on that, here you can see so many filters. From this, if you don't like any filters, what you need to do is just select that filter, and after that down here you can see that filter name. Click on this filter name. When you're clicking on that, you can see Remove Effect option. Click on Remove Effect. When you're clicking on that, you can see a pop-up message like this. Here, click on Remove. When you're clicking on that, that filter will be removed from your filter section. Now here you cannot see that filter. So this way you can easily remove any filters from Instagram Live filter section. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.